So it looks like we only have one question for Miguel before another passage starts. So number 7, how does the crowd add to the plot of the story? A, it believes Miguel did not train hard. Let's go back and look for our text evidence. It says, as Miguel reached the top of the last hill, he looked down at the finish line. A crowd began to cheer for the first place finisher. So if they're cheering for him, they must believe that he worked hard. He trained hard. So A is not our answer. B, it wants Miguel to run in more races. We can't tell that by the crowd cheering. No. So B is not our answer. C, it thinks Miguel is going to win the race. If you're cheering someone on, you have confidence in them. So C might be our answer. And D, it wishes Miguel would try a different sport. No, we can't tell that either. So C here is our answer. You are going to take a picture of your comprehension notebook and upload it onto this assignment. And then you're going to move on to your read aloud.